Okay, so I've got an equation, and it's true for all values of x. So I can equate coefficients. I've got to work out a, b, c, and d, so I'm going to have 4 equations, 4 unknowns. I've got to expand these brackets with cubes, so I need to know what sort of 3c1, 3c2, so 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. That's the row I'll be using from Pascal's triangle to speed it up. So this is a plus b times, that'd be 1 cubed plus 3 from there times 1 squared times x plus 3 times 1 times x squared plus x cubed plus c times 1 cubed plus 3 times 1 squared times 2x plus 3 times 1 times 2x squared plus 2x cubed, and finally plus d times 1 cubed plus 3 times 1 squared times 3x plus 3 times 1 times 3x squared plus 3x cubed, and that equals x cubed. Now I'm going to tidy up these brackets. A plus b times 1 plus 3x plus 3x squared plus x cubed plus c lots of 1 plus 6x plus 12x squared plus 8x cubed plus d lots of 1 plus 9x plus 27x squared plus 27x cubed, and that equals x cubed. So let's have a look at the terms. So let's do the constants. Constants: a plus b plus c plus d equals nothing. And then the x term, no a's, that'll be 3b plus 6c plus 9d equals 0. Divide 3 by 3, b plus 2c plus 3d equals 0. Then the x squared coefficient, 3b plus 12c plus 27d equals 0. Divide 3 by 3, b plus 4c plus 9d equals 0. And finally the x cubed coefficient, and this will actually equal 1 because it's x cubed there. We got b plus 8c plus 27d, and that's what we've got. And now we've got 4 equations, 4 unknowns, but I'm going to use, but only one of them's got the a in, so I'm going to have to use this one here, this one, and this one to work out where we go. So I'm going to, let's call them equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So I'm going to choose 3 first because that's the biggest one. So I'm going to do equation 3, which is b plus 8c plus 27d equals 1, and subtract 2 from it, which is b plus 4c plus 9d, and that equals 0. Subtract that one, give me 4c plus 18d, and that equals 1. Divide by 2, 2c plus 9d equals, not divided by 2, so it equals a half. Okay, so now I'm going to use equation 2 and equation 1. I'll write equation 2 out again. B plus 4c plus 9d equals 0. And equation 1 is b plus 2c plus 3d equals 0. And I'm going to subtract those as I've just done up here. I could have done a line if it helps you. That'll be 2c plus 6d equals 0. So that says, actually, that says that 2c equals negative 6d. So I can sub that up into there, and that will bring it back down again. Instead of writing 2c, write minus 6d plus 9d equals a half. So 3d equals a half. So d equals 1/6. And sub that into here pretty obviously, and that will tell me that c or 2c equals minus 1. So c equals minus a half, and then take both of those and substitute them into equation 1, which is b plus 2c, so plus or minus 1, and then plus 3d's, and 3d's are 3/6, which is a half. That equals 0. So b minus a half, therefore b must equal a half, and then I'm going to sub into equation 4, which I'm going to make be this one here, which is a plus a half plus c, which is minus a half, plus d, which is a 6th, and that equals 0. So that implies that a equals negative 6th. So I've got a, b, c, and d. I'll underline them. A, b, c, and d, and I have found the constants, and that's done.